2 of looking for the red missing bird. Or well, not missing, but we're trying to see who that red bird is. So yeah, guys, I know where it is. Somewhere, guys. Guys, it's up there. You guys have to see it. Hear it? Hear that, guys? That's it. Guys, see it? See? Wait, let's go to the garage now. Guys, see it?
He's on this side. He's on this side. He's on the back.
It's on the back? Okay. Look, guys. That's it. Guys, I told you. Where is he now?
I don't know.
Oh, I know.
You gotta. He sings a certain song.
He's up. Guys, see? You have to see that. You guys should have. He's on the garage. See? Where is he now? I have to watch out because they can pluck your head off. But, Gort, come here. Look at the bird. I saw it. It's in a tree. Guys, you have to see. Be quiet, guys. If you're watching the video, I saw it. Do you guys see him anywhere? Those are our berries.
Here, leave that up there. Here, as long as you stay right there, hold on.
It's somewhere. It has to be on their like truck thing. Sorry, guys. It's hard to find this bird. It's like, you know, if you're like trying to track this bird down. Oh, see? He said, should have saw. Where is he now? In the back?
Yeah.
Okay, he's in the back, guys. Left or right?
I think he's over there someplace.
Guys, be quiet. Bend down. See? Where is he now?
He's right over here.
Oh.
He's up on that. Look, be careful. Don't run. Don't startle. See him? He's up on the fence. Look, Brooklyn. Look where I'm pointing.
Oh, I see. Guys, see that, guys? That's the missing bird or bird we're trying to find. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh, he's just full. Guys, I don't understand about this. If it's number 2, if you guys watch my videos, thank you. See that guy? He's pretty cool. Well, guys, that's a lot of stuff. It's kind of hard to find a missing bird. Well, he's not missing, but like we need to find him. Guys, I think I saw his family. Where is he? I'm trying to find this missing bird, guys. Well, he keeps laying nests in our freaking garage, but like, I keep... Guys, I can't at all see him. So if you guys see him in the video, comment down below. And yeah, like, I have to make sure this actual thing could actually... There! Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but if you guys can see him, thank you, probably, gosh. But it's hard to, yeah. See guys, you should have saw that. Where is he, guys? I'm sorry. Look, he's on that tree. See him, guys? See him? It's right there. I'm kind of nervous of a red bird. I don't even understand why, but I think I'm distracted. So then we're supposed to run. But guys, I'm gonna go. Now, if you guys want to watch more of it, yeah, but if you guys know, bye. I'm going to show you more videos, and yeah, bye guys. My name's Brooklyn, and yeah, come down below, bye.